Hello guys, welcome back to my MP Coding YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about arrays in Go language. So let's start. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to update with my new videos. Then let's go. So what is an array? The array is a collection of data with similar data types and fixed length. Okay, here you can see some array after storing some data collection. So this is the data collection of this array and it called array elements. Here have 5 elements. It equal to array length. So here length is 5. Here each element have their own index number and it is started from 0. We can access array elements from their index number. Okay, that's fine. So here I created 5 variables with same data type and assign value for them here. Then I am going to print value of them using this statement. So I just run the program. Then you can see the value of variables here. Okay, in this example I had 5 values only. So I created 5 variables and assigned that value for them. But if I have 100 values, should I create 100 variables here? No, it is not a good practice because it takes time and also it takes up more memory space. So we can create array for it, right? So here syntax to create an array in Go language, and also we can create an array in two methods. In first method, we specify the length of array when creating an array. Here first syntax for creating an array using var keyword. It include with var keyword array name, length of array, data type. Here include array elements. It means array values. And second one for creating an array in short way, it include with array name, this special operator, then here length of array, data type, here include elements of array. Then in second method, we didn't specify the length of array when create an array. So here also first syntax used to create an array using var keyword. It include with var keyword array name, and here we didn't specify the length of array, so that is unknown length. Here data type and here include elements of array. So this is the short way to create an array in second method, and it include with array name and this special character. Also here we didn't specify the length of array, then here data type and here include elements of array. Okay, that's fine. So here I created two arrays related to the first array creation method. So here first array created using var keyword. Its name is myArray1 and its length is 5. That means in this array we can store 5 values only. So those values I put inside this curly bracket. Here data type is int because here those are integer values. Then here second array name is myArray2 and here length of myArray2 it is 3. So that's mean in this array we can store 3 values only. So that 3 values I put here inside the curly brackets, and here data type is string because in myArray2 all the values are string type, right? Okay, here these two statements used to print myArray1 and myArray2. Then I run the program to check result. So here you can see the output. In order, this is the myArray1 values and this is the myArray2 values. Okay. Then after here I created two arrays related to the second array creation method. So first array name is myArray So here we didn't specify the length. For that we use these 3 dots inside the square brackets. And the compiler can identify the length of array based on elements declared in these curly brackets. So my array A data type is int. Then second array name is myArrayB. And here also we didn't specify the length. MyArrayB data type is string. And here elements is declared in these curly brackets. Okay, then here these two statements used to print myArrayA and myArrayB values. Then we can run the program to check result. So here you can see the output in order. My array A value is here. My array B value is here. Okay, I already created arrays using first and second array creation methods, right? But I have few questions about arrays. So let's see them. The first question is how to access elements of an array in Go language. So let's see answer from the example. So here the example for access index of an array. To access index in array, we need to have idea about array index. And in the beginning, I told you about array index, right? So this is how array elements is stored, and each element associate with the index number. That index number started at 0. So here first element associate with index number of 0, second one associate with index number of 1, and third one associate with index number of 2, like that. Okay, here I already created two arrays. First one is test array A and its length is 3. Data type is int. Here all the element of test array A. Second one is test array B. Its length not specified. Data type is int. Here all the elements of test array B. Then after these print statements used to print elements of test array A and text array B, and this is how we access an element in an array. For that we need to mention array name first, then after we need to mention index number inside the square brackets, and this index number should be belongs to element that we need to access in an array. So here array name is text array A, index number is 0. So that means we can print first element of text array A because index number always is started at 0. Like here I told you before. I know you remember it, right? So here first element associate with 0, second one associate with index number of 1, and then third one associate with index number of 2. Okay, that's fine. Then I run the program to check result. So you can see it here. Element at index 0 in text array A. It is 5. Yeah, that's correct. Then element at index 2 in text array A. It is 15. Yeah, that's also correct. Then after element at index 1 in text array B. It is 151. Yeah, that correct. Then element at index 2 in text array B, it is 983. Yeah, that also correct. Okay, it's done. Then let's go to our next question. Okay, our next question is how to initialize an array in Go language. Then let's see this from an example. So here I'm going to initialize an array using index number. For that I declare an array here. Its name is new array and length is 3. Data type is int. Okay, done. So here index number always started at 0. So first I assign value for 0 and I assign it for 5. Then second one is index number 1 and I assign for it 15. The next index number is 2. Then I assign for it 20. Okay, this is how we initialize an array in Go language. So we can check this. For that I run the example. So you can see our output is here and this is the elements that I assigned here. Okay. Now we already know how to initialize an array using index number. So what is the next question? Okay, our next question is how to initialize specific elements of an array. Okay, then let's see the answer from an example. Okay, I back to Visual Studio Code. Here I'm going to initialize specific elements of an array. We can do that using index number. For that I create array first. Its name is my array and its length is 4. Data type is int. Then here I'm going to assign value for index number. Specific index number. I choose index number 0. Then I assign to it 21. Then I choose index number of 2. Assign for it 34. Then here print the array. My array. So here I assign index number 0. That means this element should be the first element. Then this is the index number 2. So this element should be the third one. We can check that. For that I run the program. Okay, you can see output is here. 21 is first element. 34 is third one. So that's done. Okay, here we learn how to initialize specific elements of an array using index number, right? So now we can see our next question. My next question is how to change in the array elements in Go. So let's see the answer from an example. Let's go. Okay, here I'm going to change elements of an array using index number. For that I need to create an array. Its name is array1 and its length is 4. Data type is int. Here I need to assign elements. First one is 34. Second one is 45. Third one is 28. Fourth one is 98. Okay. Before change the element, I need to print the array to check elements. So I just run this. You can see output is here. These all elements are I assign here. So now I'm going to change some elements here. I need to change second and third elements. So second element index number is 1. I assign it to 48 and then third one. It index number is 2. I assign it to 30. Okay, now we can check this. For that I run the program back. Yeah, you can see it, right? Second and third element already changed. So this is how we need to change elements of an array. Then we can see our next question, right? Then let's go. Okay, our next question is how to find the length of an array in Go. Then let's see what the answer is. Okay, here I need to find length of an array. Actually in Go language it really easy because in Go language have built-in function. We can use it to get array length and it called length function. So we can simply get array length using this function. Then let's see how we can do it. For that I need to create array first. An array name is test array. Array length not specified. Data type is int. Here's the elements. Okay, now we need to get length using length function. Length of test array. Okay, now we can print length of an text array. The length of text array is the length of text array. So now we can check the result. For that I run the program. Here is our result. The length of text array is 6. Yeah, that is correct. This is how we need to get length of an array in Go language. So my question is over. Here we learn about arrays in Go language. So thank you for watching. I will meet you soon with new video. So stay tuned with us and subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get all the notification about my new videos.